In the quiet village of Rajpur, nestled between rolling green hills and dense forests, lived a young farmer named Kishan. Rajpur was a peaceful place where life moved slowly and the people depended on their fields to survive. Kishan had inherited a small patch of dry, cracked land from his father, a land that villagers believed was cursed, incapable of growing anything. Yet, Kishan held onto a dream: to turn this barren field into the most fertile land in the village. Every morning before sunrise, he walked to his field, breaking the hardened soil with his hands, removing stones, and planting seeds with unwavering hope. By noon, his back ached, his hands were blistered, yet he continued. Days turned to weeks, weeks turned to months, yet nothing sprouted. The soil remained stubborn and lifeless. The villagers shook their heads, whispering that Kishan's hard work was pointless. But Kishan remembered his father's words: "Don't watch the clock, do what it does, keep going." Those words gave him strength. He enriched the soil with manure, dug small channels to guide rainwater, and whispered words of encouragement to his plants each day. Still, the earth refused to bloom. Kishan's faith wavered, yet he kept going. Seasons changed, and Rajpur flourished with greenery, all except Kishan's field, which remained a patch of brown, cracked earth. Yet he refused to quit. Then, one morning, something miraculous happened. Tiny green shoots emerged from the soil, delicate but determined. Over the following weeks, those tiny sprouts grew taller and stronger, transforming the once barren field into a lush carpet of golden wheat. The villagers stood in awe, unable to believe what they saw. That year, a terrible drought struck Rajpur. Fields withered, rivers dried, and hunger loomed over the village. But Kishan's field stood strong. The roots, which had spent months quietly growing deep beneath the soil, now reached hidden water reserves that kept his crops thriving. While other fields turned to dust, Kishan's wheat swayed proudly in the breeze. His harvest fed not only his family but also the entire village. Kishan's patience and perseverance had become Rajpur's salvation. Years later, when his children asked how he achieved such success, Kishan smiled and said, "I didn't watch the clock. I did what it does. I kept going." And so, under the shade of the old neem tree, Kishan's story became a legend, a reminder that true success comes not from rushing but from trusting the process, building strong roots, and never giving up, no matter how slow progress may seem. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Aspire Times English. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you all for your support.